It's becoming clearer and clearer. Web 3.0 is having a lasting effect on the food industry. Food brands are starting to evolve, with plenty of examples of companies experimenting with the blockchain, the metaverse, and the world of NFTs is no different. However, unlike early food NFT projects that were mainly a marketing exercise, such as Pizza Hut's byte favourites and Pringles Crypto Crisp, where companies found an interesting way to connect and profit from adoring fans, the new wave of NFT projects have a level of utility built in, meaning customers of the NFT get a real-life use case along with their digital asset. This ability for food companies to interweave actual products and experiences in with the excitement of NFTs makes for an exciting sandbox of innovation that we haven't seen before. Data from DappRadar, a firm that tracks sales, shows that trading in NFTs reached $22 billion in 2021, compared with just $100 million in 2020. DappRadar states that a key factor for this and the surge in NFT trading was mainstream businesses entering the fray. However, critics of non-fungible tokens say there are symptoms of an unsustainable digital gold rush that won't end well for consumers. Firstly, let's have a quick look at what an NFT is. NFT stands for non-fungible token, but basically it means interchangeable. Therefore, a non-fungible token is unique and cannot be traded one-to-one. Each NFT is exclusive to its owner, and you can verify ownership via the blockchain ledger. In its simplest form, it's a piece of data stored on the blockchain that can establish proof of ownership. Okay, let's jump in and have a look at some of the most interesting food NFT projects at the moment. 1. Blockbar. Blockbar launched the first NFT-backed luxury spirits marketplace. The company sells collectible liquors direct to consumer through its website, and each bottle comes with its very own NFT. The founders see Blockbar as a solution to the current hurdles in the luxury wine and spirits market. The high-end liquor industry has always been exclusive, as only a finite number of bottles exist. But even then, the main way to buy it was through an auction house, not necessarily the most approachable process for today's young, rich consumer. For customers actually buying through Blockbar, the actual bottle will be stored in a proper facility in Singapore, while the NFT is recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Customers will have their own virtual bar on Blockbar, as well as a digital wallet that keeps track of their portfolio's performance. According to their founder, it's a way to ride the crypto wave but also have an asset to hedge against it. And one of the early adopters is Hennessy. Hennessy's first NFT buys you a rare cognac and a VIP visit to the estate. Hennessy's first foray into the world of NFTs will give cognac connoisseurs the chance to appreciate the drink in an entirely new way. The French distillery has partnered with Blockbar to give a lucky cognac enthusiast the chance to enter the world's most famous distilled wine in both digital and physical form. The two Hennessy NFTs can be acquired by only one collector for a total of $226,450. The NFT also comes with a complimentary trip to Hennessy's estate in Cognac, France. Next we'll look at the Fly Fish Club. Gary Vaynerchuk has announced his plans to launch the first ever NFT restaurant through his VCR group. The restaurant is set to open at the end of 2022 or the first quarter of 2023. But membership for the restaurant has already gone on sale. The restaurant is going to be called the Fly Fish Club, a seafood concept that will be membership based. And according to Gary Vaynerchuk, only people with a relevant NFT will be able to gain access. Though the New York City location has yet to be revealed, the Fly Fish Club will be operating as a private dining club with iconic views of the city, where membership is purchased on the blockchain as a non-fungible token. On Friday the 7th of January 2022, they made 1,151 memberships available and sold out within the first few hours. Two types of membership were offered. The regular Fly Fish Club member, which lasts for the lifetime of the restaurant and gives buyers access to the main dining room and cocktail lounge, was initially offered for 2.5 Ether or roughly $7,900. The second, more pricier option, the Omasake membership, was initially sold for 4.25 Ether or around $13,485. This included access to their special Omasake room with an unnamed world-renowned sushi chef. It's worth remembering that no food is included with this membership, and your NFT will only get you access to the restaurant. One interesting element that was mentioned is the idea of making passive income from your membership by leasing out your NFT to others for a period of time. It's worth remembering that this isn't Gary Vee's first foray into the world of NFTs, and he's said to have already made over $90 million in the NFT space through his projects like Free Friends. Finally, the last project we'll have a look at, Top Chef's Tom Colicchio food-themed NFT collection. Colicchio has founded Chftypizzas. It has been explained that each virtual pizza slice will give the owner access to an exclusive online community. It will also help connect NFT owners with celebrity chefs and other food benefits. One spokesman said, "We invite you to grab a virtual slice and build a community that is focused on connecting holders with their favorite chefs and foods. From metaverse integration to pizza parties around the world, let's connect over something we all love, pizza." It's fascinating to see the next wave of NFT projects tie in real-life benefits for the buyer, using NFTs as a token to unlock desired goods and services. As this space evolves and innovates, we'll be sure to keep you up to date. Leave us a comment and let us know what food trend you'd like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like. We'll have new videos coming every week in 2022. And if you'd like to learn more about some of the hottest food trends, sign up to our free trend reports on ghost kitchens, vertical farming and more. You can check out the link in our description. Absolutely free. Until next time, ciao ciao.